shooting out here, yo, they shooting. You see this? Yo, nigga, they shooting out here, yo. How can you be so calm in this situation?
Oh, you think this is something? Huh, this is nothing.
What you mean this is nothing?
Shit, oh!
People just shooting up by side of your trailer, and you just chilling. You're chill.
Get that ATV! I got the 6!
Shit. I ain't signed up for this. I want a regular job, man. I want a regular job. Fuck, man, fuck. Yo, the man has a goddamn Tommy gun on the fucking bike, yo!
Yes. You need to learn how to focus on the truck. You are in control of the truck. You are the captain of this ship.
Yo, who made you like this?
No!
Right. What the hell are you doing?
Look at that. This man almost got decapitated.
Yo, what's in your heart, yo? A man's about to be decapitated and you just chilling? We right in the midst of this. Stop this truck.
We will not stop. We will not stop for no reason whatsoever.
Yo, change your mindset, bro.
The load is the most important thing here.
Wait. Oh, shit.
Yo, your ideology is trash, bro. It's trash. Sewage. Throw it out.
The load is absolute. The load is final. More important than you, more important than them. Now, you would not cause any more distraction. Or else you want to be out there with them.